Hello students, welcome back to Math Beyond Marks. This is your Pragasam sir. In the previous video, we learned two important concepts, namely linear growth and linear decay. Today, we are going to solve exercise set 2.4 and see how these concepts are used in real life situations. Question number 1, plant growth problem. A plant has a height of 1.75 feet and grows 0.5 feet every month. Here, this word growth itself says it is linear decay growth. It is given growth. So, linear growth. The sum belongs to linear growth type. Okay, now what they're asking, find the height after 7 months. So, first one, here there is a question, make a table for t equal to 0 to 10, expression relating h and t. So 7 months, to find 7 months, if you calculate for 0 to 10, from that you can calculate 0. So that means I will make a tabular column here 0. That means initial stage, the height is 1.75. After 1 month, every month it grows. After 1 month, it is going to be 2.25. Why 2.25? Because 0.5 is added. This how no? For the second month, nothing. 1.75 plus 0.5 into 2. That is t. Okay. Why? Because 2 months 2, which is growing, 0.5 is growing. Like that, you are going to calculate. This answer is going to be 2.75. Why? This is 1 and 1 plus 1.75 is 2.75. Okay, third, it is 3.25. Okay, fourth one, 3.75. Fifth one, 4.25. Okay, I'll write here. Sixth one, 4.75. Seventh month, it will be 5.25. Eighth month, it is going to be 5.75. Ninth month, it is going to be 6.25. 10th month, it is going to be 6.75. So till 10 months we calculated. Okay, now we can answer all the questions. Find the height after 7 months. This is after 7 months. So after 7 months, the height is going to be how much? After 7 months, height is going to be 5.25 meter or centimeter. What is given? Feet, not meter or centimeter. It is feet is given. That's all over. Then make a table as over. Expression relating h and t. Yes, here we got the expression. No, height equal to, what is that? Height 5.5. That is nothing but initially it is 1.75 plus 0.5 into growth. That is every month you can put t. Okay, time. So 0.5 t. So t equal to 1. It will be 0.5 added at the end of the first month. 0 means 1.75 itself. Likewise, you can find out all the answers. Are you able to understand, my dear students? Let us go to next question. A mobile phone cost rupees 10,000. Initially, it cost 10,000. Its value decreases by 800 every year. Yeah, mobile phones are waste only, but no other go. Usefully, we have to use. But cost wise, if you see, every year it will have a depreciation value. We'll call that a depreciation value. After 2 months, after 3 months, after 8 months, after 1 year, if you sell, that rate will go away. That rate will reduce. That is called depreciation. Even for house, for so many things, there is a depreciation value. Motor vehicles, car, everything has some depreciation value. This is coming under that one. The value decreases by 800 every year. Find the value after 3 years. Yeah, this we can do easily. Okay, what is that? 10,000 minus 800. Okay, minus 800 for the first month. It will be how much? 9,200. Then again minus 800, it will be 8,400. 8,400. Then again 800, if you subtract it, it will come 7,600. Okay, like this. So this is in the beginning, 0. This is after 1 month, this after 2 months, this after 3 months. So they're asking after not 3 months, all are in years. So 3 years, the value is going to be 7,600. 0 to 8, likewise you can prepare a column, tabular column up to 8. In general, what is that expression? What you are going to write the expression? 10,000 and minus. Why minus? Because decay, 800 per month into time, that is per month. T equal to 1 means, t equal to 0 means 10,000 itself. T equal to 1 minus 800, that is 10,000 minus 800, this one. T equal to 2, like that it goes on. So this is the linear formula, that is linear expression. Now we will move on to question number 3. Village population is growing at a rate of 750 every year. 50 people. Now, every year 50 people. Next question is question number 3. Village population growth. The initial population of a village is 750 people. Every year 50 people move into the village. Then population after 6 years is how much? Same like question. Table from 0 to 10 years, and you have to write the linear expression. First, what is this? How you are writing? 750 is the first beginning. Plus increment, how much people are coming inside? 50 into people. I'll write number of people, n are 50. So p equal to 0, 750 itself. P equal to 150, 750 plus 50, 800. P equal to 250 into 200, 100 plus 750, it is 850. Like that it goes on moving. That means the general expression for this one is this: 750 plus 50p. Here population growth only, this one. Is it growth or decay? Because it is not coming down, it is increasing, so it is population growth. Every year 50 people are coming inside into the village. Now this is for 6 years. So when p equal to 6, okay, for 6 years, what is that? How to substitute? 6 years means 750 plus 50 into 6, that is 750 plus 300, that is how much? Means 1050 people will be there at the end of the 6 years. Okay, are you able to understand, my dear students? So this is about linear growth and linear decay. So today we applied linear growth and linear decay to real life situation problems. Yeah, these are all just everyday life problems. Okay, in the next one we are going to see two variables can be connected. That means how two variables can be connected. My dear students, I hope these questions you would have enjoyed. If you learned these questions thoroughly, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to get the future videos. Also like this video so that the YouTube algorithm will show this video to many students who are all needed. So see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from our Pragasam sir.